Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So first of all I will tell that please subscribe and like if you guys learning something from these videos because these are simple concepts. So you will learn so much about pandas and how to solve the problems from these kind of videos. So please subscribe and like to the video. So we'll solve today's problem. So today's problem is about like immediate delivery. So the problem is basically there is one table within which some customers and their order date and preferred order delivery date are mentioned. So what we have to basically find is the percentage of immediate deliveries and scheduled deliveries. So basically if order date and customer preferred delivery date is both are same, then it is immediate, and if both are different, then it is scheduled. Okay. And we have to find out also the first order date of each customer. Like we have to find out first the first order date of each customer, then we have to find out how many of them are immediate and what is the percentage of immediate orders. So I've already solved the problem and I will just paste the code and I will explain you each step. So as usual will solve the problem by using simple pandas concept, and you can find better solutions from the LeetCode also. So it should not be a problem, but first you should understand how what is the simple approach for this problem. Later you can think of some better ideas how to formulate this to solve it in less time. Okay, so we are making a data frame, first order by customer. So we are taking delivery, we are not taking all the columns, we are taking customer ID and order date. We are grouping by customer ID and we are getting the minimum of uh, order date. So basically this will find each customer and their first order date. Okay, next what we are doing is, next we will combine the main table with the with this new data frame that we just created. Okay, so basically I will write this in. So you can see we are just creating first order df, means by merging. So we are merging the original table with the newly created data frame where first order of the customers present. So what we are doing, we are to joining on two keys, that is customer ID and order date, because a combination of both is constructing one unique key. So we are combining on both and we are generating one data frame. So if we see the data frame, it will be let us run this. So you can see we are getting each customer unique and all of their data present in the main table. Okay, then what we will do, we'll basically do some calculations after this to find out what is the. So we are directly returning and we are making one data frame by pt.data frame. So basically I will just separate these things so that you can understand. Okay, let us keep everything. I will explain you each step. So basically I'm thinking where to start so that you will not get confused. So first what we are doing is length of the data frame that we have just created by combining those two, because here all the first order customer IDs are present. Okay, so we are taking length which will be 4, means we have total 4 rows with the first order date of the customers. Then what we are taking, we are taking the rows where customer preferred delivery date equals to the order date. That means this will construct our like immediate delivery count. Okay, so if order date and customer preferred delivery date both are same, then that count will be our immediate deliveries count. So here you can see 0 1 0 2. Here you can see this one is one immediate delivery and this one is also one immediate delivery. These two are scheduled deliveries. Okay, so we are taking steps of 0 because this will generate one data frame. This will generate one data frame. Basically we are taking what is the length of that data frame. So step 0 will give us that thing. Then we are dividing these two, length of the first order data frame and that shape sub 0, whatever we'll get, and we are after dividing. So basically this will be 4 and this entire thing will be 2. This entire thing will be 2. So 4 by 2 it will get 2, and we are dividing that result by 100. So we'll get some result in terms of 100, and we are rounding of the values by 2, because if you will get more than 2 decimal, then LeetCode will show you wrong answer. So basically for that thing we are rounding up to 2, and we are giving index 1 because we are using this PANDAS data frame function, and we are naming the column as immediate percentage. So we'll just submit this one. So as you can see, our code is running between 711 to 779. Basically we are in the middle, and you can find better answers also, which one runs faster. You can find here some interesting thing. So if we will see this one also using loop, I saw some interesting thing. So this one is a little bit interesting code, where what this guy is doing is so this is basically sorting the values by customer ID and order date, and both are ascending. Then it is dropping the duplicates, keeping the first values. Basically the first values by customer ID and order date will be the first order. So then it is just taking just replacing the values as 1 and 0 if both are equal, then 1 if both are not equal, then 0. And what it is doing is so basically it is taking the mean of the newly created column, like this delivery stuff state. It is taking the mean, and it is rounding up to 4. So maybe it is allowing up to 4 values. I have not checked that much. And then it is taking the, it is multiplying by 100. So basically this is also an interesting solution which runs faster, and you can check these things like this, and also you can get some ideas like but the thing is, first you need to get the basic idea like how to solve the problem in the first step. So after you construct your first idea, first solution, then after that you can search how to optimize that thing, how to apply better methods, and which one can run faster. You can check online, you can check other solution also, how they have done the things. So but first this thing is important, how you are understanding the problem, and if you are understanding as per your knowledge or not, because you cannot formulate the most optimized solution in the first try. Okay, first you will formulate the solution, you will get the solution in a complicated way. After that you will try to optimize each and every step. So just don't try to find every time the optimized solution on the first step. Understand the problem and try to find the solution only. So I'll meet in the next video. I think you have learned something. Please subscribe and like this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new problem and how to solve that one. I will also try to make videos on how to solve these things in SQL also. So we'll meet on later part of the videos. Thank you very much for watching.